Beef? What? Now why you cry?
Is it everywhere on my face?
No.
Okay. No, still clear.
Pinali kasi. Si Daddy tulog yata eh.
Tulog pa ba?
Tulog pa?
Sarap yarn.
Sige.
Yes, please. Ano pa yan? Yes, thank you.
Ito bigyan na.
Hindi, teka lang, baliktad ata. May pawis po yun.
Patong ano, yung service nyo. Sa ano.
How about you, Brian? Would you like to have some wine? Where's your groom? Ano ba yan? Yung groom iniiwan.
What?
How about you, sir? Would like to taste the red wine?
Service siya. Yung ano nila.
Guide pa yung naka-short.
Iba siya. Ay, bawal po, sir, naka-shorts dito. Labas po, labas.
Mr. Jerry, basta ako.
Let's taste the wine.
May serving.
Yan, yan, yan.
May serving. Wait lang. Last ka na po eh. Sorry, maubos na eh. Saglit lang.
Pagsamantalahan na natin na si Ate Jo ang nagsusubo.
Guard, meron pong naka-short dito, oh.
Here we go, sir.
Guide pa yung nakapasok na hindi kilala.
Sir, Emerson, would you like to taste the wine?
Hindi pa shot to.
Sure! Yay po,
Ako, sorry sir, we're out of wine. Hindi, may isa pa ako, may isa pa. Here we go, sir.
The beat is so hard. In your place.
Madilim yun. Ay, bawa ko siya.
Nasaan si Chef?
Wala na sila siya.
Narobat yung laptop. Nakicharge ko sa ano.
Are you enjoying, ma'am?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
Hirap na hirap.
Steak?
Hirap na hirap na steak.
It's not tender, juicy. Okay, let's blame the chef, okay? Let's call the chef. Chef, your steak is not good.
Even the knife can cut it.
How about you, sir? How's your meal?
It's good.
It's good?
Puro good lang good. Oh, so good,
Appreciate
so
it.
good.
So good, so good.
Sir, no using the cell phone on the table, please.
Then don't use yours.
Are you done eating? Is it good? The chicken is good? Wow, very good. Huh?
Bigay lang!
Big girl lang?
Okay.
You're a big girl, right? Ah, okay. Are you done eating?
She did not even eat anything.
She did not eat.
She's ready for buns.
Ah, she's waiting for the buns. How about you? You have fun eating your chicken?
Yep.
Is it good? Is it crunchy? Crunchy? You want more mashed potato? You want mashed? Yes? Yes?
I'm stabbing it with my fork.
Which one?
I stabbed the mashed potatoes with my
Why are
fork.
you stabbing it with a fork? Why don't you use the... Oh yeah, fork is okay. How about you, sir? Did you have fun eating your chicken and your luncheon meat? Did you taste the beef? You did not? Why not? Why? Try it. You don't like?
I'm eating beef right now.
Here we go, sir.
Kinukuha ko.
Enjoy your meal.
Bukas hanapin niya niya, ano, ikaw.
Gayahin niyo si Gaiki. Maganda yung pagkakalagay niya ng napkin.
Ay! Ako yan. Napagahalataan tayo.
Graduate, castle to the right.
Tadal.
Dapat ikaw naglalagay din ng napkin sa kanila. Asan yung mga napkin ko?
So, yung napkin, suot daw niya.
Sure, I'll help you, sir.
Thank you, ah. Very appreciated.
Thank you, officer.
Sir, it's like this, sir. Here we go, sir. Please.
Thank you.
Ganap na ganap. Ganap na ganap.
Ano yan, barbero?
Enjoy your meal, sir. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you, ma'am? Do you have the juice? You have juice, yes.
Wow. Tama na yan.
Asan yung wala
Tight
bang
ang budget.
Anes!
Hindi na ba magra-rice?
Walang rice.
Hindi, walang rice.
Ganyan talaga pag mayaman.
Parang baliktad. Ano ba? Ganyan, ganyan.
Yan.
Yan. Welcome to Peace on Earth Fine Dining Restaurant.
You're blocking the camera.
Oh, you're blocking.
Yeah. Yan, ganyan.
Naka-on na yan.
Yeah.
Naka-on mo na.
On ko lang.
Walang ganun.
Yeah, dapat nasa tamang blocking tayo.
Dapat serious. Guys, tumawa ha. Alam ka? Baka ko'y matawan.
Ako nagwawine ako.
Ay, mga bata, baka bumaba. Uli mo na mababain. Ay, mo for how many na? For two po. For two, okay. Tingnan mo din this way, ma'am. Ano ba itong ano na to? Yes, sir. Ang pogi naman ito. Ay, talaga. Anong mali? Parang may pasensya. Ano ba? Take your seat, ma'am.
Buksan nyo yun.
Parang malilate na lang din ako every punta. Here's your meal, ma'am.
Blind date
Enjoy
mo
your
to?
meal.
Ano blind date? Ay, wow! Na ano ako? Napenge ako sa madilim. Bakit ang sarap? Ang perfect ng star, ah.
Paggaling sa Antarctica. Like some red wine.
Duda ako dyan, nakaroon Sprite lang naman yan.
Real red wine. Aray ko.
Hindi na ba Hindi ba magsalita?
Let me serve you, ma'am. Hold on.
Special naman. Anong sardinas?
Hindi na lumasabi. Bakit ito lang bangunan namin?
Ang tagal na binahin namin. Tapos lang yung mag-serve.
Hindi, galing na Antarctica to. Came from North America, ma'am.
Sino yan?
Kinain niya ng penguin tapos niluwa lang ulit.
Manager, please. Bakit ganito yung star? Bakit yung star po naka-split?
Okay, we first serve the sparkling grape juice.
Nakakot pa, no?
Oo, I get it.
Tagal na nag-use. Baka makalantis niya na. Sige, sumahan mo na kami. Sumahan mo na kami. Mas gusto ko yung ganyan tayo.
Bigyan natin ng bill.
Binaw na.
Bill out na, bill out.
Alvin! Alvin! Si Shirley! Alvin! Si Shirley tumingin dun sa table. Alam mo talagang nakaano.
Bill out na, bill out na, bill out na. Bill out na.
Bayad na kayo.
Ala, bilang ka na.
Guest bill 11,000 daw. Bakit may sinayad na kayo?
Ang mahal eh. Kuya,
Kasama yung sa prosecution.
Saan?
Smile!
Hindi mo tapos na. Iris talaga tingin ako.
Smile muna. Picture muna. Picture. Picture. Smile muna. Smile. Ito ba? Picture ba ito? Saan ba picture na ito? Pwede ba mag-picture dito habang naka-video? Okay na yun? Dali.
Hindi maganda pakiramdam.
Shirley,
By
Iris.
standard.
Sa akin muna. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Enjoy your meal!
Sa akin muna.
Dinala ko yung umipon sa bahay.
Ang sarap. 8-8 na to. Nilalasam ko eh.
Star salty.
Mahal yung star, ha? Hindi yan, star for all season yan, eh.
Ang perfect! Wow! Ang perfect!
Nakasplit na star ko.
Yung star ko komang eh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Okay, ma'am. Here's your bill. You only take cash, ma'am.
Ang bill?
For cash payment. Guess the bill. Can you guess the bill?
Sino ang ulam na siya ng babayan?
Ano to ah?